ये पबजी वाला है क्या?
PUBG was initially released on Steam for PC gamers, but the game's reach was limited as it required higher graphics to run smoothly on PC. After its initial success, soon Tencent company launched its own version of PUBG for all the mobile devices, which increased PUBG's reputation even more and even gave a platform to mobile gaming community. Currently, PUBG has more than 30 million daily active users and has been downloaded over 200 million globally. So what is PUBG Mobile and how it has taken the world by storm? Similar to the PUBG's PC version, it involves 100 players jumping out of a plane, searching buildings and nearby locations to gather weapons, armors and healing kit. When the match starts, the loot is randomly distributed across the map. And depending upon where you land, you might get a good AR gun accompanied by a sniper rifle with 8x scope, or you might just sometimes get a shotgun to defend yourself from opponents. Moving into early game, shortly after a couple of minutes, a circle will be placed randomly on the map, which is also referred to as blue zone. Playing area will continue to reduce in size, which forces you to keep moving forward and gives you less chance to hide. You can also take advantage of environment to hide or spot enemies. Sound plays a major role for survival in this game. If there is an enemy close by, you can hear his footstep in the minimap, but make sure you don't give out your position by making too much movement. You can also find vehicles such as buggy, cars, 4x4 jeeps, which is scattered on every map. Similar to the PC version, PUBG has 4 maps: Erangel, Miramar, Sanhok, and the latest snow map called Weekendy. You can also play PUBG solos, duos, as well as in squad. Apart from classic matchmaking, PUBG also offers arcade options, where you can play 8 minutes quick match, war mode where you can respawn and player with the highest elimination wins, as well as sniper training mode where the player competes with other opponents with only sniper. Overall, it's a battle royale. You might not win the first game, but what matters the most is how you play, knowing where to drop, mastering your favorite weapon, and lastly knowing how to survive in the top 10 situation. So good luck and hope you get that chicken dinner. So if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, comment and share and subscribe to Mobisium.